Hello everybody, I'm Susan Dillman-Stills with Mount Comfort RV, and we are in our show booth at the Indy RV Expo. If I can talk, I want to talk to you today a little bit about the fastest growing segment of the RV industry, and that is the Class B motorhome. Think B rhymes with V, van. That's what you're going to see as a Class B. And there's just about anything you want to do with the van. First of all, they take all of the elements that you see in a big motorhome and they put them in a very small, well-engineered, and clever package. Look at this. This is a little bit of a pull-down countertop here with a detachable Bluetooth speaker. You've got USB charge outlets, and you have a 110 ground fault interrupter circuit right there. So you put your air fryer, crock pot, whatever, more things right there. And these little vans run anywhere from about 18 feet all the way up to a little bit more than 22 feet. So depending on what you want to do with your van, whether you're using it as a hotel hopper or you're actually going to get out there and do a little bit of camping off grid, it's going to give you a great deal of flexibility. Something to think about when you're rolling into town and you find out at the last minute that all the hotel rooms have been booked by a softball tournament or a bird calling competition. You need a place to stay. Well, you've always got your hotel room here. This is Winnebago Solace. This is a little guy right here. And one of the cool things about this is an option. You can have this little pop-up right here, and that will sleep 2 people. You have a Murphy bed in the back that's going to sleep an additional 2 people, and it's very comfortable. I've tried it out. And you can even put a 5th person in here to sleep. Look at this. This is an inflatable cot that lays across the cab seats. So who would have thought a little van like this, the 59PX from Winnebago, would sleep 5 people and pretty comfortably. You can see there are zip open windows up there. There's going to be a little fan for a little bit of air circulation. And the other thing to note too is with the 59PX, this chassis is long enough to also include an air conditioner. The 59P, which is just a little bit shorter, there's no room to put that air conditioner up there. So the 59PX is the one that will sleep everybody and keep them nice and cool. Storage, again, clever is the word. It's a little bit of additional storage here. When that Murphy bed is down, you still have plenty of storage right here. And then there's a version that I've seen too of this particular floor plan that has a sort of a gate here. So it creates almost a little dog crate back here. It's really a great way to take the puppies along. And a lot of my customers, that is why they're buying a B van. They have animals that they want to take with them, and they need something that's a little bit more accommodating than a compact car. This one even includes a little dinette, again with a Murphy bed in the back. This is Winnebago Solace 36A. It's just about 18 feet. So if you want looking to get something into a small parking space, again, this is something to think about. Right here, again, extra counter space outside where you want it. The running board extends all the way to the cab. So it's not such a big step to get in there. You can see almost all of them, at least one seat will swivel around. So it joins the rest of the cabin, makes it a little bit more comfortable. Definitely you could do a rainy day in here. Tables that pop out inside to make desks or additional dining are also a feature of these vans. Clever storage, a little bit under this sofa. In this particular model, this sofa will recline just a little bit or lay flat. This is Coachmen's Nova. These white cabinets, by the way, are hardwood cabinets made in an Amish shop in northern Indiana. And you'll have a super beefy air conditioner there. If you don't stay cool in this one, let me know. As we flip around here, you'll see that the door to this van folds all the way back, giving you a lot better access. This door will fold all the way back as well. Gives you a lot better access, just makes it a little bit cleaner as you're moving in and out. Now, some people will attach a Thule bike rack on the back. Of course, you're going to want to take that bike rack off if you're going to fold this all the way back, because part of your rack will stick out a little bit, and we'll see that in our next van. I like the 20C for that refrigerator as well. That top door is all refrigerator. And so it gives you a little bit more of an option, a little bit better able to spend longer off-grid without running into town to get a couple of extra things. Here's that bike rack I was talking about. You can see this is going to extend a little bit beyond this door, so that left door is going to close first. This one does not fold all the way back right now because of the Thule bike rack. One of the things that Thor's Talaro does as well is this is a collapsible ladder, which is awesome because you do need to get up there and take a look at your seals. Let me see if I can get up here without killing myself. You can see too, this is their awning with the integrated light strip. Many Class B vans have nice awning. So again, you're not doing away with or compromising on the things that you like about a larger RV. Really, again, flexibility is just, there's so many things you can do with this that I love. This particular floor plan features a couple of twin beds. There are floor plans that will extend and make that entire mid area into a bed, or you can keep it open so that you have great access to the back bathroom. It's probably one of my favorite floor plans. In the back bathroom, you're going to be able to have the opportunity to actually set up an outside shower if you want. There are really clever little additions like this towel rack. Towel rack right there. This is your toilet paper cover so that when you're having a shower inside, it doesn't get wet. A lot of people like the back bath floor plan because they say it doesn't feel as claustrophobic. Well, folks, this is just a smattering of all of the Class B products that we have here at Mount Comfort RV. Again, I've got a lot on the lot. I have a lot to look at out here, and I would love to talk with you about the various different features. In fact, if you take a look, we're going to have some additional video on each one of the vans that, or excuse me, not each one of the vans, but each one of the manufacturers that we have here at the show in the Class B motorhomes. Well, I'm Susan Dillman-Stills. You can always reach me at the lot. You can also reach me here at the show or on my cell. Give me a call. Come on out.